akong video ngayong araw na ito. And for today's video, guys, I'm planning to cook. So, para naman maiba tayo, diba? So, just for your knowledge, guys, I will not be cooking for the whole barangay or for the whole village. Just for me and for Vilem. And maybe we can eat it for like few days. But I just think of something like why I cannot show to you how do I cook my own menudo. So for menudo, guys, the ingredients that you need is chicken wings, and I just cut it into half, and then garlic, onion, and if you have just white onion, it's fine too, it will do, and then some bell pepper, carrots, how you call this, potatoes, and then I will be using as well olive oil or just the normal oil, it's fine, tomato sauce, soy sauce, pepper, and ground pepper, so it's together in one. And without further ado, let's start the cooking show. So I will be putting oil, the olive oil, yeah, that will do, and then saute the onion. It's already hot, guys, don't worry. Yeah. And so medyo hirapan ako magluto, no, dahil kaliwete ako, but it's fine. And yeah, when the onion is already translucent, guys, you will be putting next the garlic, but I want it a little bit more soft and more translucent, so I will saute it a little bit longer. So, siguro nagtataka kayo kasi sobrang dami ng gulay. For you to, guys, para sa kaalaman nyo kasi, guys, si Vilem, he's not really into meat. He's more into vegetables. So, para balance kami pareho dahil I like meat. So, kaya maraming gulay because of Vilem. So, now that the onion is translucent, I think it's fine to add next the garlic. So guys, kanya-kanya tayo ng recipe. So ang ginagawa ko, lahat sinosauté ko muna. And because the carrot takes long time to be cooked, I saute it first. It's longer time to cook than the carrots. Remember that, guys. Saute lang tayo. I like sauteing, guys, because it brings out the natural sweetness of the vegetable. So you don't have to use too much sugar or anything, too much condiments, because you can just get it all from the vegetables. I will just saute it for just few minutes, and then I will dump here as well the potatoes next. Wow! It's like I am some chef. So ngayon, para nagwa-water na yung carrots natin, I will be adding the potatoes. Diyos ko, napakadami. Super dami. So yan, then saute again. Mix. Diba? Ang colorful. Ang saya ng buhay. Pag ganito kakulay. So, naririnig niyo yung sound. Ang ganda ng sound, diba? So, pag ganito na medyo lumalabas na talaga yung sariling lasa nung carrots and potatoes, isusunod ko na itong ating manok. So, habang minimix ko to, guys, kasi it will take quite few minutes, take a look outside first how beautiful it is, because the snow is non-stop. So, this is a light soy sauce, guys. I will be adding the soy sauce as well. Kasi lalagyan ko na siya ng timpla. So, this is not so salty, this soy sauce, because it's a light soy sauce. And then, mix lang natin siya. After nyan, ang bango. Can you smell it, love? Kung naaamoy nyo lang talaga siya, ang bango. Huh. So, cover natin siya. How does it smell, asawa?
So good.
So now that it's really boiling a lot, oh my god. So I will be adding the tomato sauce. And then mix it. Diba ang gusto lagi natin yung sobrang makulay? Yan, sobrang siyang makulay. Yan, malapit na itong maluto, guys. So as you can see, our cat is very curious of what is happening right now. And while you were cooking it, guys, asawa, my face is here. While you were cooking it, guys, timely check it. Like let it to boil like for at least 15 minutes just to really make it sure. And mix it time to time to make the vegetables evenly cook. So what? Alright. Let's go. He's very responsive, right? So guys, pag nakita nyo ng parang mukha ng malambot yung chicken, tapos yung mga potatoes and carrots nyo, it's time for you to taste it para madagdagan mo kung ano pa yung kulang sa lasa. I know that I didn't put too much ingredients or condiments yet because really what I did is I want the natural taste from the vegetables to come out first. Oh! Di sa pagmamayabang. But asawa, I want you to taste it, really. So that you will know what is missing or what do you think?
Wow, it's good. It's good.
Don't be plastic.
No, it's really good.
So my asawa said, let's add some soy sauce. So soy sauce. How many? One is enough?
Maybe.
Two? Kasi nga matamis na yung the potatoes and carrots and onions. It brings sweetness already to the food. That's why you don't need... Ay, sorry na. Siguro naiingayan kayo. So like what I was saying, guys, you don't need to put sugar because when you saute earlier the potatoes and the carrots and the onions, because you saute it quite long time, it brings out the sweetness from the vegetable. So yeah, wow. Oh my God. Gusto ko talaga dun sa manok ko, yung sobrang lambot na niya kasi yun ang masarap kainin. And now, it's time to put this because our menudo is already getting cooked. Dinalagay ko siya panghuli, guys, because I really like my bell pepper a little bit crunchy kasi gusto ko yung may nakakagat pa rin akong crunchy. And Vilem as well, right, asawa?
Yeah.
So let's just boil it in 5 minutes. And that's it. So guys, ito na ang kinalabasan ng ating menudo and I will be tasting it. And as you all know, Filipina girl, so I will be eating using my hands. So, taste first. Ako muna. Aray ko, init. As you can see, the chicken is really cooked. So, magkanin tayo. Really good. That's it, asawa. So I do hope, guys, you enjoy my recipe for today. I do hope you will try it in your home and send me your message or show me your video if you made it really good. So let's enjoy the menudo coming from Philippines. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.